Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace an oven door hinge on your range, open the oven door to the broil position. Then lift it off of the hinges. Next, slide out the broiler drawer and set it aside. Now remove the screw securing the side cover. Pull the cover off and return the hinge to the upright position. Note the orientation of the door spring and the adjustment bar. Unhook the bar from the frame and remove it from the spring. Note the position of the spring in the hinge and disconnect it. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the E-clip. Pull out the mounting pin and remove the old hinge. Install the new oven door hinge by first applying some grease to the spring mounting hole. Now insert the hinge into the frame and align it on the hinge support. Replace the mounting pin and secure it with the E-clip. Insert the small end of the spring into the appropriate hole in the hinge. Insert the opposite end into the appropriate hole in the adjustment bar. Then hook the bar into the same hole in the frame as before. Reposition the side cover and reinstall the screw to secure. Replace the broiler drawer by aligning the drawer rails with the tracks on the base and sliding the drawer into position. Return the hinges to the broil position. Then replace the oven door by aligning it on the hinges and sliding it into position. Confirm that the door opens and closes properly.